when you live with hemiplegia, people just assume your life is limited, how they just set the ceiling at a low point, but they see your weakness before they see the light inside you. But here's the truth: discipline is the most powerful tool that you have. Not motivation, not luck, not talent, just discipline. Because when your body is weak, discipline becomes your weapon. Motivation is fragile. People can wake up and feel like motivated, and a day later they can't just become they can just wake up feeling unmotivated and not do the things that you set out yourself to do. Some days you'll wake up and be stiff, fragile, but motivation won't carry you, but discipline will. Discipline doesn't care if you're tired, if you're hurt, if your feelings are not up to scratch, because discipline is just showing up every day. But as soon as you move forward one day after day, you will see the compound effect, and discipline just keeps you going. And discipline, here's how to use discipline. So in the mornings, what I usually do is just drink. It's not this, but it's 500 milliliters of just water. I just wake up, grab it, and then just drink it, and it just like refreshes you. And because you're dehydrated for like eight hours or even more, you just like feel re-energized. So the other thing is to stretch as well in the mornings, because you are stiff. I'm stiff, and I've stretched for a couple of weeks now, and it is tiring. And just think about the levels that you can reach if you do stretch. The other thing is schedule rehab training. So let's just say your rehab training is at 9 o'clock, for example. No negotiations, no talking with yourself, no like, oh, when I feel like it. Just 9 o'clock, just straight up and doing your rehab training, what you should do. And even if you don't feel like it, I've got this thing called the minimum rep rule. So even on bad days, as everyone with hemiplegia does have, or anyone in general, just do one set, one stretch, one attempt of just doing the things that you should do. And some days you'll just be like, yeah, I may as well, because I've done one, I should just do the rest of the routine. But don't let it fall to zero, because if you do, you'll just fall behind. And because you're saying, oh, I've let it fall to zero, so I might not do it the next day. Just do the things that you should do at a minimum. Just do one. And the progress log. So I have a book, and this is not the book, but it's just a notebook, and just write stuff that you should that you have done on that day, and you should be fine. And you'll just look back at that book. If you just write daily, you'll just back at that book and you'll be like, Oh yeah, I couldn't do that I couldn't do that a month before, but now I can. The next one is eat for energy and not for comfort. So choose food that will, so like protein, so that could be chicken, beef, or any of that, and you'll just feel energized and not like chocolate, not donuts, not anything like that, just pure. Yes, you can have the odd snack here and there, but it's just proteins, vegetables, whole carbs, and just water in general. And the next one is mental discipline. So read, listen to a podcast which can effectively just grow you as a person. So as I said before, daily reflections, so that's just the notebook. Write one win, one struggle, one lesson, and that discipline of awareness. The next one is evening routine. So close the day with a big win. So prep for tomorrow, lay out the clothes, water, journal, and remove decision fatigue. So just have it on the desk, have the book on your desk, and as soon as you wake up, just write down the things that you should do. Gratitude journal as well. This book, it's called Goal Setter Journal, and it has one thing that I'm grateful for, today's tasks, and daily review. And that in your mind, it's just that it just keeps you on track, just going to that book. And the next thing is sleep discipline. So no screen time, 30 minutes before bed, go to sleep the same time daily, and recovery is part of the discipline. Discipline means you don't wait for those emotions to pass before acting. You act in spite of them. You think about every time you show up. With discipline, you build proof that you're stronger, that you're more conditioned. You have the power to bat off excuses. It just compounds week after week, day after day, and you've built a version of yourself that no one thought possible. Discipline is so great, and it doesn't matter if you move slow, it doesn't matter if you have less strength, and if you start today or continue, it will make you a winner, and discipline will make you win. With discipline you can rebuild. With discipline you can transform your life. So just remember this: with hemiplegia, motivation might fail you, but discipline won't. It's the tool that will carry you. Discipline will. Just further than look, further than comfort. Just pick it up, sharpen it daily, and use it, because discipline is your weapon, and with it you can just win. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.